This is a demonstration of using chat in Microsoft Teams. Begin by selecting Chat from the sidebar. By default, you'll see that I already have one chat open and pinned in this chat list area. This isn't an actual chat with another person. Rather, it is a handy feature for getting to know chat in Teams. If you want to practice sending messages, files, GIFs, or emojis, you can practice that in this chat, and only you will see it. When you are ready to chat with a colleague, select New Chat. This will create a new chat in your chat list and will show a blank chat window. Begin by entering the name of the person that you want to chat with. As I start typing in the To field, Teams will search the MinState address book for users with names matching what I am entering. Within MinState, we have many people that have the same name, so if you want to be certain that you are messaging the correct person, you can also search by using their email address or star ID. And before sending anything with private information to somebody via chat, you may first want to send a greeting message to make sure you are chatting with the person that you think you are. To help your colleagues find you, I recommend adding your picture to your Microsoft profile. We will give a demonstration of that in another video. For now, I will continue sending my chat message. Now that I have selected a person to chat with, I will move my mouse down to the bottom of the window and select the New Message field, and then begin typing my message. When my message is ready, I can either press Enter on my keyboard or select the Send button. My message is now posted to the chat space for me and my recipient to see. I can also see a check mark next to the message. This tells me that the message sent successfully, but has not yet been viewed by the recipient. When the recipient views the message, the sent icon will change to a seen icon, which I will demonstrate now. And when the recipient begins typing their own message, you will see their profile picture and blinking dots in the chat space indicating that the recipient is typing a message. When they click Send, their message will appear in our chat space. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.